Hello students, welcome to my channel Shah Sir Classes. It's my pleasure to be a founder of the Evershine Coaching Center and help all my fellow and deserving students. Today I am going to give you the very important questions for class 10 board exams 2021. Subject Mathematics. And as you can see here, today we are going to discuss Mathematics Evershine Test Series 2021 for the Karnataka State Board, and this is day 2. And my dear students, still if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes, do subscribe it and share this video as much as possible with your all friends. Okay, let's begin. As you can see here, children, of today's class, question number 1. Prove that the ratio of the areas of two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratios of their corresponding sides. I just want you people need to solve each and every question out of this, as these questions holds a very important to score a good marks in your upcoming board exam. Dear students, one important announcement, as ESCC is going to start the new course for the class 10th SSLC students of Karnataka State Board for this academic year 2020-2021 board exams as per the revised reduced syllabus. As you all can see here, the features are, we are going to start this course on the basis of online for the subjects mathematics, science and social science. And here what we are going to do is, we are going to make a WhatsApp group. In that we will be sharing you all important notes, study materials, and also if we have any queries, you can put your queries on that WhatsApp group. So we will revert back the best possible solutions for you all. And also we are going to conduct live class as by the using the platform Zoom or either Google Meet. We will share you the link. As per the link, you have to join for the class. You can directly watch our live classes and also clarify your doubts at the same time. And also we are going to provide you the pre-recorded classes as per your doubts for all the important topics. And we are going to solve the model papers, and we are going to solve the sample papers, and also we teach you the technique how to start solving the papers and score the very good marks. And also we try our level best to give you the chapter wise quick revision for all the chapters from the subjects mathematics, science and social. Here you need to do a very small thing, as if you want this opportunity, then you need to pay a one-time payment of rupees 500. It's only 500. You have to pay the one-time fee through either Phone Pay, Google Pay or by account transfer. So children, if you people are interested, you can join for this class. Okay, but certain terms and conditions are here. As you can see here, we are going to have the limited seats. We doesn't encourage maximum students here. It's only for a limited period and also limited seats. Hope this information is helpful to you all, and we are going to start this program only after seeing the response from the students as per their interest. So kindly let me know whether if you need these classes by polling yes or no in my YouTube post. You can go to my YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes. In that you can see the YouTube post. Already we have assigned this post, already we have uploaded this post. On that you can just click yes or no whether you need this course or you don't want this course. And also you can WhatsApp to me on this number 9964257448. You can WhatsApp to me if you are interested. And also please do remember, before you do any payment, you have first you inform to me, then you can do the payment. As I have said you, the seats are limited. If the seats are filled, then we cannot take further admissions. For that reason, kindly before doing any payment, let us know and then you can proceed further. Okay, here we want your response within 2 days. By today, only 2 days time is left out with you all. You can let me know within 2 days. If the majority of the students interested, then we are going to start these classes from Monday onwards, that is 24th May 2021. So kindly share this information as much as possible with your all friends, and also try to follow our YouTube channel Shah Sir Classes and subscribe to the channel and use the opportunity to score a very good marks. Next, question number 2. construct a triangle with sides BC equals 4 cm, AB equals 6 cm and AC equals 4.5 cm. Then construct a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of the triangle ABC. So this question belongs to the chapter construction, and again you can see question number 3 is also from the construction. Question number 4 you have to solve geometrically, is nothing but graphically. Okay, and here there is a question of more than type ogive. Okay, so please kindly the given data, try to analyze this given data properly before you do this construction. And next question is find the mean. You need to find the mean by using this frequency distribution table. And as you can see, question number 7, 8, 9 and 10. 7 is from your coordinate geometry. Question number 8 is from your quadratic equation. Question number 9 is from your surface area and volume. And then question number 10 is from your arithmetic progression. So this is the day 2 work what we have uploaded. Kindly solve these all questions, as these questions, as I have said you earlier, are very important for your upcoming board exam. Hope this information is benefited to you all. Keep watching to our channel and share this class and the information to your all friends, so that we can help you out to score very good marks in the upcoming board exam. Thank you. Keep watching. If you like this class and the channel, click the like button. Take care. Bye bye.